wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Christmas means so many different things to so many different people. Candles burning low,
Lots of mistletoe, lots of snow and ice, everywhere we go. Choir singing carols right outside my door.
all these things and more.
All these things and more.
That's what Christmas means to me, my love.
Christmas means to me, my love.
Come on, get up and talk with us.
Christmas means to me, my love. Christmas means to me, my love. That's it. Christmas means to me, my love. Christmas means to me, my love. Christmas means to me, my love. That was fun.
Yes. So, it seems like Christmas means something different to everyone.
That's why there's so many different kinds of Christmas wishes.
Oh, what should Elmo's Christmas wish be? Oh, Elmo could use some help. Hey, what does Cookie Monster wish for?
Me Christmas wish? Oh, it's something very special. Me don't want a lot for Christmas. There is just one thing me need. Me care about the presents underneath the Christmas tree. Me just want you for me own. More than you could ever know. Make me wish come true. All me want for Christmas is you. Cowabunga! Me don't want a lot for Christmas.
There's just one thing you need.
Don't care about the presents underneath the Christmas tree. Me don't need to hang these stockings on the fireplace.
Santa Claus will make you happy. Give a toy on Christmas Day.
Me just want you for me own, more than you could ever know. Make me wish come true. All me want for Christmas is you. That's right, the biggest, bestest Christmas movie ever. Come on, Santa baby, make me wish come true. Baby, all me want for Christmas is you. Cookie, all me want for Christmas is you. Yeah, me wish.
Elmo sure would feel better if he could think of a good Christmas wish. Oh, maybe Elmo should ask someone else. Hey, Rosita, Zoe, what are your Christmas wishes?
Oh, that's easy. I wish I could dance with my friends. And I wish I could sing with my friends in English and in Spanish.
But Elmo doesn't speak Spanish.
That's okay. I can teach you. Yeah, and then we can all dance along together. Yeah, and I know the perfect Christmas song. Sing along if you know the words. Bells up tingling, making spirits bright. What fun it is to laugh and sing a sleigh song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in one horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way.
Yeah.
Oh, what fun it is to ride in one horse open sleigh.
That's one of Elmo's favorite tunes.
We know.
Okay, now I will teach you the song in Spanish. All you have to know is the word cascabel. That means jingle bells.
Oh, so instead of singing jingle bells, we sing cascabel, cascabel.
Right, and I'll sing the rest.
Okay, come on everybody, let's sing cascabel.
Cascabel,
trying to make my Christmas wish come true. To try out for Santa's reindeer team.
But Grover isn't a reindeer.
No, but I do have antlers, see? And I already have a red nose, just like Rudolph, my personal hero.
There is striking resemblance.
And best of all, I can already fly. At least I usually can. I'm having trouble with my takeoff today for some reason.
That's because you can only fly when you're Super Grover.
Oh, you are right! But my super cape is at the cleaners today! Oh, dear, dear, dear. Now I will not be able to fly like Rudolph!
Oh, that's okay, Grover. I'm sure Rudolph doesn't fly all the time.
Yeah, I bet he walks or even runs sometimes.
Rudolph running? Now that I can do! Out of all the reindeer, you know you are the mastermind! Run, run, Rudolph! Santa thinks you're far behind! Run, run, Rudolph! Santa has to make it to town! Tell him if he hurries, maybe he can take the freeway down! Run, run, Rudolph! I am spinning like a merry-go-round!
What is it you're looking for?
Rudolph, Santa has to make it to town. Tell him if he hurries, maybe he can take the freeway down. Run, Rudolph, I am cruising like a merry-go-round. Run, Rudolph, I am spinning like a merry-go-round. But exhausting.
So Elmo, have you thought of a good Christmas wish yet?
Not yet, but there is something Elmo could go for right now. Not really a wish, but
What is it?
some yummy hot chocolate.